doing today? So I know 100% you're tired of this COVID-19 pandemic and also tired of being inside. But what if I tell you that we can install a brand new concrete patio for you and your family? A patio where you can enjoy a beautiful summer and also have great cookouts. Sounds really interesting, right? Make sure you watch this video so you can see the great quality of work that we do and why we're the best concrete company for you. Thank you for your vote of confidence and welcome to Badger Concrete.